Hello everyone. So good day for pens today. Seems to be a lot of those. Today I received a pen with the dimensions of a Montblanc 149 and a mirror finish solid metal construction. I also received a wooden pen with some mother of pearl inlaid Raden flowers. Beautiful pen. Now those two pens were the number 2 and number 3 most interesting pen that I received today. You're going to get blown away when you see this. Let's get right into it. All right, so here is the Montblanc 149. It's a fairly simple pen when it comes down to it, really. The black plastic there, the precious resin, as they like to call it. The golden nib, also amazing. But yeah, very simple, really. Just a simple piston, nice big fat honkin' number 8 nib, display window, screw thread, and the finial with the cap on the end, the Montblanc 6-pointed star, and the piston knob. So there you are, Montblanc 149. We've had the Montblanc 149 somewhat cloned with the Wingsung 630. Here is one. So it's opaque plastic there, opaque, translucent here with the ends chopped off. Looks less like the Montblanc 149, but still certainly very, very common features that align exactly the same. So yeah, same dimensions, just little bits cut off the ends. And of course, no star. You got the Wingsung logo. Wingsung or Junlai? I forget. I don't know if they're the same company. Of course they are. I don't know if they've got the same logos. Anyway, that was as far as it went for now. The nibs, yeah, might as well show. I had a stub made up on this Wingsung here, but I chopped off the right foot, turned it into a right foot oblique. That's the topic of a different video. That's quite nice. Even nicer, had the 14 karat gold heartbeat JF nib here on the Wingsung 630 opaque. Pretty good as well. But none of these things really do huge differences. This will hopefully change all of that. Now, I promise to open it, on video, so we can see my reaction, or at least hear it. Here we go. What's in the box? Yeah, that's different. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we've got, whoa. Okay, so this is a Wingsung 630 custom maquillé Raden. So the Raden is the inlaid mother of pearl. This is the Wingsung 630 grease tube that comes with all of the Wingsungs. And then here is a spare nib. Assuming there's no nib with the pen at the moment, although that'd be strange. Let's open it up and have a look, shall we? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Just look at that. Okay, that needs a zoom. Come on. 5 times. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is unbelievable. That is unbelievable. There's some green, there's purples, there's pink, there's blues. Oh my, that is not. Oh, that is absolutely breathtaking. All right, what about some light? Just into the sunlight a little bit more here. Let's try that out, eh? Let's see how it goes in the sun. Oh, here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go out. It's too close. Yeah, it's better. Oh wow. That is sublime. It's absolutely sublime. Let's take the cap off. What do we got? We've got a lid in there. We've got a oh yeah, so the ink window's got the slits there, and we've got so standard Wingsung 630 nib there. But then, yeah, this mother of pearl. Whew, that is glorious. Yeah, the sunlight is leaving us here. It's a cloudy day in January in Perth, Australia. It's almost unbelievable, isn't it? It was 40 here yesterday, 40 Celsius. Today it's been raining in Perth, Australia. All right, well, I'm not going to show any more than that. I think that speaks for itself, doesn't it? It really does. Tell you what, first thing I'm going to do is swap out this nib. I'm going to swap out this nib with the gold nib in my green pen here. I'll show you the nib. See what's coming. You know this nib. Yeah, there it is. What a nib, hey? What a nib. Going. Yeah, that will do just nicely. All right. Let's see how it goes. Be right back. Here we have a bunch of ink, and we have a Wingsung 630 minus nib unit. We have a brand new Wingsung 630 nib unit, and we have a not so brand new Wingsung 630 ink covered gold nib unit, and we have a whole bunch of ink on my fingers that wasn't there 60 seconds ago. I'm sure you guys would have liked the drama, and it would have been fun to watch and listen to my squeals of disgust as I end up with blue ink all over my fingers, but hey, I missed it. So here we are. Time to rinse the ink out of this beautiful gold nib unit and put it into the gorgeous Wingsung 630 Raden Mother of Pearl. Is that abalone? I reckon it's abalone. Colours far too vivid to just be a standard Mother of Pearl from that chunk of Mother of Pearl from the last video that I did on the 365-day stationery Raden pen. Yeah, let's go. We got rinsed out. All right, so here we are, the completed real deal. Look at him. Look at her. Look at it. It's a pen. Come on, man. It's a pen. Yikes. Yes. Yes, indeed. Thank you, guys. I love this pen. I just so totally love this pen. There's going to be so many more too. Yay. All right. Signing off. Bye, everybody.